like to share few moments that, not really a few, I had many moments with Mother. Sa totoo lang, ang career ko po, a big part of my career was due to the help and the support of Mother Lily. Si Mother kasi is as a producer, for other people who may not know, she's a cut above the rest as a producer kasi hindi lang siya producer ng gumagawa ng pelikula. Si Mother kasi, Mother is a fan. Mother is a fan of Philippine cinema. Kanya siya, nung gumawa siya ng production na kagaya ng Regal, it was not only for making movies or for the financial gain, but it was more for sharing the entertainment. And siya mismo, nag-i-enjoy siya sa ginagawa niya. Kaya you'll notice na ang mga pelikula ng Regal noon, talagang may puso because she makes sure na she's part of it. It's not only business for her, it's something that she loves doing. And maraming beses na pagka kinukuha ko ni Mother, nagkakaroon kami ng chance mag-usap. And lagi ko sinasabihan niya noon. And this is the one thing na I will never forget. And I'd like to share it with you now. Kasi siya nung araw, siya yung nagsabi sa akin, lalo na nung nagpamilya na ako. Sabi niya, ikaw, Tiso, matuto ng mag-ipon. Para sa family mo, you should take care of yourself and take care of your family. Sabi ko, nag-uusap kami. Tapos nabanggit ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, Mother, ako nga, gusto ko makabili ng isang maliit na bahay para sa amin, para sa family ko. Sabi niya, Ate, sige, gusto mo tulungan kita. And siya mismo nag-offer na tutulungan niya ako. And it was really a big thing for me dahil, it's not a joke to go out and just buy a house. I mean, it costs a lot of money. Anyway, siya yung gano'n. And she was the one who was always pushing me. Kahit noon pagka may mga affairs na alam niya, magpe-birthday ako, sinasabi niya lagi, dito mo raw. Sabi niya, dito mo na gawin. Sabi niya, maghanap ko pa ng ibang lugar. Dito mo na gawin. Ako na magpapahanda. Wala ka nang iintindihin. Mag-invite ka lang ng mga kaibigan mo, ng mga kasama natin. And always niya, pag magkikita kami, she was more concerned about me. Not only me, but my family. Kahit yung mga anak ko. And actually, makita niya sa closeness, isa ko sa mga anak ko, si Bodhi, inaanak ni Mother. Kanya kumari kami. Yes, and even yung mga movies, actually, yung career ko noon, for a while, medyo natigil na ako eh. And she was the only woman who trusted in me. And she gave me another break. Binalik niya, kinuha niya ako ulit. And gumawa siya ng pelikula rin. Marami yung hindi naniniwala doon sa gusto niyang gawin. Pero siya stuck it out because sabi ko nga sa inyo, parang may magic si Mother eh. Nararamdaman niya kung ano yung kikita, kung ano yung magugustuhan ng mga tao. But to close, sabi ko nga, she helped me to buy that house that I was looking for. And even after that, sabi niya, magkikita kami, she was more concerned not only for my career, but she was more concerned for my family. And tamang-tama yung niya moniker. Mother talaga, mother siya ng lahat talaga. And I'm sure lahat ng nandito, whether actor, actress, and even our friends from the Fourth Estate, ang mga reporters, at one time or another, alam mo si Mother yung hindi ata marunong humindi yun eh. Pag lumapit ka, humingi ng tulong, she will always be there for you. She will always be ready to extend a helping hand. And yun nga, Mother, marami ng event na sinelebrate dito sa lugar na ito. Marami ng affair na sinelebrate natin na magkakasama tayo. But tonight, we celebrate your life. The last time na nagkausap pa kami ni Mother, birthday niya sa bahay niya sa Green Hills. Yung pa isang memory hindi mawawala. Ito yung magkikita kami lalo na rito. Asahan mo pagka nandito, tutugtugan ka niyan. Magpapiano yan. And not only one, mga 2 or 3 pieces tutugtog yan. And the last time, we really had a great time kasama ko si B, si Ate B, tsaka si Boyer when we visited her at parents. So many beautiful memories. Ayun, no? Ayun yan, bumibisita kami. So many beautiful memories and talagang a person that will never fade in my heart. Hindi ko makakalimutan talaga si Mother. Ang closing ko, sabihin ko sa inyo kasi nga, ang ginawa niya, tinulungan niya akong bilhin ko yung bahay. Ang ginawa niya, siya muna nagbayad. Sabi ko, sige Mother, babayaran ko na lang sa'yo sa pelikula by working. After a couple of years, sabi niya, tinawagan niya ako, punta ka rito, kunin mo na yung bahay mo. Sabi ko, Mother, may utang pa ako sa'yo. Sabi niya, kunin mo na. Pagka may nangyari sa akin, sige, wala kang bahay. Punta ka na rito. Actually, doon mo makita yung pagmamahal niya. So, talagang, when I got here, nakaprepare na, pinaprepare na pala nila sa lawyer, pinalipat na niya sa pangalan ko yung house. And then, still, every now and then, tatawagan niya ako, we get to talk. And always, ang concern niya is my family and, of course, yung sarili ko rin, di ba? Never nawala. So, tonight, Mother, we celebrate your life sa lahat ng nagawa mo. I mean, talagang, if there's one person na mamimiss talaga ng industriya, si Mother yun. Talagang everyone in this industry, at one point or another of our lives, nagka-cross paths kami, nagka-cross paths ng mga ibang artista. Kanya ako, I'm very proud to say that kung ito, Regal Baby ko ako. I've always been a Regal Baby and a lot of us have been a Regal Baby. And this is a line that I usually use. Mother, I will not say goodbye. It is only good night. Dahil magkikita-kita pa rin tayo. Again, Mother, thank you for everything, for your love, for your concern, for your support, and how I wish talaga na sana nag-extend ka pa ng konti. But then again, I know now that you're in the arms of our Lord and you're with Father. So, Mother, thank you na lang. Maraming salamat and I will never, ever forget you. Thank you.